I go to the train station. I go to the train station. I see a big building. I see a big building. I see people. I see people. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket. I wait in line. I wait in line. I get on the train. I get on the train. I find my seat. I find my seat. I sit down. I sit down. I look out the window. I look out the window. I see the train tracks. I see the train tracks. I hear the whistle. I hear the whistle. I feel the train moving. I feel the train moving. I see the city. I see the city. I see houses. I see houses. I see fields. I see fields. I see cows. I see cows. I watch the scenery. I watch the scenery. I read a book. I read a book. I take a nap. I take a nap. I am on the train. I am on the train. I see the conductor. I see the conductor. I show my ticket. I show my ticket. I get off at my stop. I get off at my stop. I say thank you. I say thank you. I leave the station. I leave the station. I am at my destination. I am at my destination. Train rides are exciting. Train rides are exciting. I enjoy the journey. I enjoy the journey.